When was the last time you actually checked your Lexus's 12-volt battery, replaced your own filters, or did the small maintenance jobs most owners ignore? Because preventing major repairs often comes down to a few simple checks that take only minutes to do. In this video, we're covering 12 Lexus maintenance steps mechanics don't always tell you about that can help protect your car and avoid expensive repairs. Number 12. Don't wait for 10,000-mile oil changes. Most Lexus owners know their car can go up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, especially when using synthetic oil. And honestly, that sounds pretty convenient. But even if your oil is rated to last that long, does it still give your engine the same level of protection near the end of that interval? This is where many long-term Lexus owners take a different approach. While Lexus allows longer oil change intervals with synthetic oil, many owners focused on keeping their vehicles running for 200,000 miles or more prefer changing it closer to every 5,000 miles. The reason is simple. Engine oil does much more than just reduce friction between moving parts. It also helps control heat, carry away contaminants, and keep internal engine components protected. After thousands of miles of heat, pressure, and constant engine cycles, oil slowly loses some of its ability to protect the engine like fresh oil can. That doesn't mean the oil suddenly fails at 10,000 miles. It simply means newer oil usually provides better protection against long-term wear. When the goal is keeping a Lexus reliable for hundreds of thousands of miles, small maintenance choices like this can make a major difference over time. Now, oil isn't the only fluid Lexus owners debate. There's another one, often called lifetime, that many experienced owners still choose to service. Number 11. Service the lifetime transmission fluid. Are you one of those people who believes lifetime transmission fluid never needs to be changed? Or maybe you've been driving for years assuming it's something you never have to worry about. If so, you might be trusting that lifetime label more than you should. Transmission fluid works every time you drive. It helps lubricate internal parts, manage heat, and keep gear changes smooth. But even high-quality fluid doesn't stay perfect forever. Over thousands of miles, heat and constant pressure slowly break the fluid down. Small particles from normal wear can also collect inside the system. Even if your Lexus still shifts perfectly, the fluid may not be protecting the transmission the same way it did when it was fresh. That's why many experienced Lexus owners service their transmission fluid before problems ever appear. A simple drain and fill is usually far less expensive than dealing with transmission damage later. So changing the fluid isn't about repairing a failure, it's about avoiding one. However, while most owners know how to care for major systems, there's another hidden area in some Lexus models that quietly needs attention too. Number 10. Clean the hybrid battery cooling vent. Now tell me, if the hybrid battery is built to last for years, why would something as simple as a dusty air vent become such a big deal? The answer comes down to one thing: heat. Every time your hybrid battery charges and discharges, it creates heat. To keep temperatures under control, Lexus uses a cooling system that pulls air through vents and across the battery to help maintain the right operating temperature. Over time, dust, lint, and pet hair can collect around these vents and cooling fans. When airflow becomes restricted, the battery has to work harder to stay cool. That extra heat can slowly affect performance and put more stress on expensive components. That's why many hybrid owners make cleaning these vents part of regular maintenance. It's a simple task that can help protect one of the most valuable parts of the vehicle. But even after keeping the right systems healthy, many Lexus owners still overspend when replacing parts that don't always need a luxury badge. Number 9. Buy Denso parts instead of paying the Lexus markup. When it's time to replace a part on your Lexus, do you automatically choose the one with the Lexus logo on the box, or do you check if another option offers the same quality for less? Many Lexus owners are surprised to learn that Lexus doesn't build every single component inside the vehicle. For years, companies like Denso have supplied many original equipment parts used in Lexus vehicles, including spark plugs, sensors, ignition components, and other electrical parts. In many cases, the Denso part and the Lexus branded part may come from the same manufacturer, with the biggest difference being the packaging and price. Choosing genuine Denso replacements can give owners factory-level quality while avoiding unnecessary markup. Of course, always buy from trusted sellers because counterfeit parts exist. But when you choose authentic Denso parts, you're often getting the same quality your Lexus was originally designed with. Yet even with the right parts, many Lexus owners still pay extra for routine services that could cost much less. Number 8. Use Toyota dealers for basic service. Lexus owners naturally head to the Lexus dealership for almost every service visit. And honestly, that makes sense. It's a Lexus after all. However, if many Lexus models share major components and service procedures with Toyota vehicles, are you really getting something extra by paying more for basic maintenance? For regular services like oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and fluid replacements, a Toyota dealership can often perform the same maintenance for less money. That's because Toyota and Lexus share many parts, fluids, and repair processes. In many cases, choosing Toyota for routine maintenance can reduce costs while still giving you reliable service. This doesn't apply to everything. Warranty work, recalls, hybrid system repairs, and advanced diagnostics are usually better handled by Lexus specialists. But for everyday maintenance, Toyota can be a smart way to save money without sacrificing reliability. Still, even the best technician can't see every hidden issue inside your Lexus as quickly as a simple tool you can keep in your glove box. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these Lexus maintenance tips, make sure to subscribe and share this video with another Lexus owner who wants to keep their car running for years. Number 7. Own an OBD2 scanner. Most people wait until a warning light appears before they start searching for a problem. But by then, the vehicle is already trying to tell you something needs attention. Yet some smart Lexus owners find issues before any warning light appears, and they do it with a small tool that can fit right inside the glove box. That's where an OBD2 scanner becomes useful. Even a basic scanner can read trouble codes and show which system needs attention. More advanced models can monitor live information from the engine, transmission, ABS, hybrid battery, and other important modules. Many Lexus owners say having a scanner helps them avoid unnecessary diagnostic costs because they can understand problems before visiting a repair shop. Some also use it to track temperatures, sensor data, and battery health before small issues become expensive repairs. The real benefit isn't just clearing warning lights, it's catching problems early. When you understand what your Lexus is doing behind the scenes, maintenance becomes proactive instead of reactive. But even the smartest diagnostic tools can't help if your engine isn't getting the clean air it needs to run properly. Number 6. Replace air filters yourself. Have you ever replaced your Lexus air filters yourself? If not, you might be paying $50, $100, or even more for one of the simplest maintenance jobs your car needs. Both the engine air filter and cabin air filter have important roles. The engine filter prevents dirt and debris from entering the engine, while the cabin filter helps keep the air inside your Lexus cleaner and more comfortable. Over time, these filters collect dust, pollen, leaves, and other particles. As they become clogged, airflow becomes restricted. This can lead to reduced engine performance, weaker air conditioning, unpleasant smells, and extra stress on the ventilation system. The best part is that replacing them is usually very easy. Many Lexus models only require opening a few clips or removing the glove box cover, and the whole process can take less than 10 minutes. Instead of paying dealership prices, you can buy quality filters yourself and complete the same job at home for much less. However, clean air is only one part of protecting your Lexus, because the next fluid we're discussing quietly fights one of your engine's biggest enemies, heat. Number 5. Change your coolant proactively. If you ignore coolant for too long while focusing only on oil changes and transmission service, Cooling system problems can appear when you least expect them. The reason is that coolant does much more than just prevent overheating. It helps protect important components like the radiator, water pump, hoses, seals, and internal engine passages from corrosion and damage. Lexus vehicles use long-life coolant, but even these formulas slowly lose their effectiveness as the years and miles continue to add up. That's why many Lexus enthusiasts prefer replacing coolant before problems appear, instead of waiting for overheating or warning signs. Many owners also recommend a simple drain and fill rather than an aggressive flush, helping maintain the cooling system while keeping maintenance practical and affordable. Now, before you replace expensive parts that might not even be failing, there's one simple battery check many Lexus owners should perform every year. Number 4, test the 12-volt battery yearly. When was the last time you actually tested your Lexus's 12-volt battery instead of waiting until the day it suddenly fails? Most owners never think about the battery until one morning the car simply won't start. But the 12-volt battery is one of the hardest working parts in a modern Lexus. It powers essential systems like computers, sensors, security features, and startup electronics that your vehicle relies on every day. A yearly battery test is especially useful if your Lexus sits for long periods or mainly drives short trips. A simple load test can reveal a weak battery months before it leaves you stranded, helping prevent unexpected breakdowns, towing costs, and frustrating electrical problems. Since testing usually takes only a few minutes, it's one of the easiest preventive checks you can add to your routine. However, there's another simple maintenance habit many Lexus owners overlook, yet it can protect rubber seals from drying out and cracking over time. Number 3, lubricate your weather stripping. One reason Lexus continues to feel premium even after years of ownership is the quiet and refined cabin experience. Weather seals are constantly exposed to heat, sunlight, moisture, and dirt. Over time, these rubber seals can dry out, lose flexibility, and start causing problems like squeaking sounds, sticking doors, wind noise, or even water leaks. Using a rubber-safe silicone protectant a few times a year can help keep the seals soft and flexible. It also helps maintain the quiet cabin feel Lexus owners appreciate while reducing the chance of needing expensive seal replacements later. For a maintenance task that takes only a few minutes, the long-term benefit can be surprisingly valuable. But one habit can protect your Lexus from the ground up, and many owners wait too long before paying attention to it. Number 2, rotate tires every 5,000 miles. Most Lexus owners focus on oil changes and fluids, but tire wear quietly affects everything from driving comfort to long-term ownership costs. Yet uneven wear can reduce tire life thousands of miles earlier than expected. Rotating your tires every 5,000 miles helps spread wear evenly across all 4 tires. This is especially important because the front tires usually handle more steering, braking, and weight during daily driving. This simple step can help maximize tread life, maintain balanced handling, improve ride quality, and reduce the chance of replacing tires before they reach their full lifespan. Following a regular rotation schedule is one of the easiest ways to protect your tire investment and keep your Lexus driving the way it should. Many owners combine tire rotations with regular inspections to catch uneven wear early. For Lexus models with staggered tire setups, rotation options may be limited, making wear checks even more important. And for the final Lexus maintenance tip, there's one common warm-up habit many drivers still do that may actually be hurting more than helping. Number 1, stop long warm-up idling. How long do you let your Lexus sit and warm up before driving? If it's several minutes every morning, especially during winter, you might be doing more than your car actually needs. Modern Lexus engines are designed differently from older vehicles and don't require long warm-up sessions. Most owners and mechanics agree that after around 30 to 60 seconds, it's better to start driving gently instead of letting the car sit and idle. Driving with light throttle helps warm up the engine, transmission, fluids, and drivetrain more efficiently than sitting still. Long periods of idling can waste fuel, increase deposits, and keep important components like the transmission and wheel bearings cold for longer. Even in winter, it's usually enough to let the initial high idle settle before driving smoothly until the vehicle reaches operating temperature. For hybrid Lexus models, extended idling is even less useful because the system is already designed to manage temperature efficiently. And those are 12 simple Lexus maintenance habits that can help keep your vehicle quieter, more reliable, and potentially save you thousands of dollars by preventing expensive problems before they happen. So which one of these Lexus maintenance habits were you already doing? And which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to take your Lexus maintenance even further, watch the next video where we reveal what smart Lexus owners do after every oil change to help protect their engine for years. If you are enjoying learning more about your Lexus, please hit subscribe. Your support really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.